we're giving away desks.
Why?
Well, we found a need in the community for students who are learning virtually at home, that they needed a special place to do their learning from home, and we found this need, and we decided that we wanted to help support our students that are working from home.
If you pop your trunk, I could get the desk and art supplies and a book to you guys.
Wonderful.
Okay.
And I got so I have some earbuds for the student. Can you pass those over? And this is going to be a sticker for your new desk. Okay. How about some books?
How are they working from home without a desk?
So exactly. So we put up a program and we donated 100 desks, and it's called our Got Desks program. So we have we put it out to all of the virtual learners in the district, and they applied for them. So they're getting a desk, earbuds, school supplies that were donated by Staples, and books from the Hudson Children's Book Festival.
Okay, great. All right, perfect.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then I'll take that from you. Thank you.
You take that.
Okay.
And who's got the?
You don't need to come out. We'll put everything in the car for you if you want to pop the trunk.
Yeah.
So I just need the student's name,
Shalani.
your name, and signature.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I have a question.
What's your question?
So, he's my uncle.
This is a pretty cool thing.
This is wonderful. These desks are great. They're portable. You can take them to another room, or you can fold them up if they're in the way of something, and it gives kids a place to do their work. I mean, we all know how important a sense of place is, and where you work and how you work. We've learned that so much the last months. It makes a huge difference in attitude and in ability to concentrate and focus, and I think this is just a great opportunity for students and for the community and for the literacy group to take their energy that unfortunately couldn't go into the book fair this year, which is one of my favorite events, and rechannel it to something else.
Next year.
Exactly.
No one ever thought about this desk thing, did they?
No, I think it really came up as students were home, realizing students needed a place to work. Not every home has a desk. They were working on kitchen tables and dining room tables, and we really just, the Children's Book Festival committee really thought that it was a need. They heard it in the community, and they were just great in coming out and supporting the district and supporting our students and families.
Well, the Literacy Fund, Susan Simon and I started the Literacy Fund in 2012. Our main mission then was to get books into the hands of kids going to the Hudson Children's Book Festival. We came up with a Good For coupon. It was good for a book. And over the years, we've given away almost 4,000 coupons for books for the book festival. This year, of course, the book festival didn't happen, and we've pivoted ourselves a little bit. We have in-school programs. Our Thumbs Up Reading program was about reading and reviewing the books of the authors coming. And in the 4 years we did that, I think we have more than 5,000 reviews from kids. Really good. Then we give away scholarship money to kids going to college for their books for the first semester.
No, just read.
Have been responsible for getting new books for the libraries to improve the quality of the libraries in the schools. We're very proud of our work, but this year, we had to kind of find a new way to have an impact. At our first board meeting in September, Lisa Dolan, who is on our board and is a literacy expert and a 36-year teacher in the Hudson City School District, she mentioned that the virtual learning was really challenging for a lot of parents and kids because there's more than one sibling in the household usually. There's sometimes a dog and babies crying, and it's hard to focus, hard to get them to focus. There's nowhere to study.